I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating simple power issues. That saves time. Remove the batteries or charge pack and check battery percentage and physical condition since swollen cells fail. Once done, power cycle both devices. Hold the controller Xbox button for 10 seconds to force shutdown, then unplug and replug the console. Make sure to inspect the USB-C port and cable for debris or bent pins. A poor connection is often the cause. If you see corrosion, do not ignore it. Clean gently with isopropyl. Next, focus on connectivity and firmware because many faults are software-related. Repair the controller. Hold the controller sync button 3 seconds and press the console sync. Watch for the ring to flash. If wireless fails, plug in via USB. This confirms hardware versus wireless issues and forces firmware update when prompted. Make sure you install any controller firmware updates through the console. They fix button mapping and drift. Also check Bluetooth or adapter range. Move within 3 to 6 meters and remove competing sources like microwaves or crowded too. Finish by addressing physical controls and calibration, which resolves drift and sticky buttons. You should recalibrate sticks and set dead zones in the console settings so inputs are accurate. This corrects small analog drift. If buttons stick, carefully open the controller, remove keycaps, and clean contacts with 90% plus isopropyl. Work in a well-ventilated area and keep screws organized. Once reassembled, test thoroughly. If problems persist after swaps or cleaning, contact support for warranty or replacement options. This avoids further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.